Eu vou com você, André Veríssimo. Vem, Veríssimo. Vem, Veríssimo. Vem, Veríssimo. Olha o Duende, Veríssimo. Olha o Duende, Veríssimo. Olha o Duende, Veríssimo. Olha o Duende, Veríssimo.
Eu não acredito. Goiânia tem dessas coisas, hein, Ale? Goiânia tem dessas coisas, hein?
O Duende venceu a prova.
Stern is sure of his victory, raises his hands, thanks God, thanks his family, thanks the crowd, thanks everybody, thinks that I've won, and then boom! That was the Korean. And here we go.
Still playable. That ball was gone. Look at, they're not even playing. Oh, that's rough. Yeah.
Not the top.
That's why it's legal.
Les Callis, who refs here a ton, comes over to clarify. It is point BYU.
Oh, dude, they were, look at him.
And in the past, if I'm not mistaken, that's out.
Of racing to go, and Tuchlik is sprinting flat out now to try and keep these Belgians at bay. Oh no, he thinks he's won. No, it's 1 lap to go. It's 1 lap of racing to go. No, he hasn't heard it. It's 1 lap of racing to go, and he thinks he's won the world title.
To hold this and take the gold medal in Los Angeles. Whoa! No! Poked her fist! Oh, she thought she was going to win it, but she opened the door, went down, and Vicky Golden is going to take gold in Los Angeles over Rutledge.
Did that just happen?
Wow! Unbelievable.
Two guards have been game changers tonight. Walker, long three. Oh, trickled off. And the rebounder, Richardson. Still an opportunity with a minute to play. It's closing time. Oh, no.
Look how much enthusiasm the Lakers are playing with.
More from Spain.
Shot to the
For her, 478 to
to crowd. You can see the smile on her face. It looks like a jump to nothing, really, with a smile on her face. I think she's thinking, I might be able to do it, but I've had a great...
I think sometimes an athletes just relax and they just go with the flow, you know. Great things can happen, so let's see how she gets on.
What's the Commonwealth champion got then at 4.78 m? I'll tell you what, she got the height.
She got the height, she did, but...
Like I said, all she wanted was the whole shot, and she could just run with it. Exactly. Oh! Jacob Ellis goes down. Jacob Ellis goes down. A shocker on the home. I don't want to speculate here, but no, she fully did. She tweaked out an air, and that's what put her down.
Stu Martinez slides it in. Ball's onside, and he finishes 1-0. Western Sydney. Flag was up though on the number 9. He hasn't seen it. He's still celebrating. The goal won't stand. He still hasn't recognised the flag. Now it's dawned on him.
And followed by Scott Overall from Great Britain. And boy, you
Great
talk
Britain
about
is going fast. He can catch him.
Quit looking. Run!
Oh!
Run! Oh! Who was it?